Here's the 60-second script. Ever wonder why your industrial motor is drawing way more current than it should? The answer is usually hiding in the phase angle. In AC circuits, voltage and current don't always peak at the same time. That gap between them is your phase angle, and it directly controls your power factor, which means it controls your energy bill. Our phase angle AC interactive calculator makes this instant. Just plug in your resistance and reactance values, or your real and apparent power readings, and it immediately gives you the phase angle in degrees, your power factor, and whether your load is inductive or capacitive. For example, with a resistance of 30 ohms and a reactance of 40 ohms, you get a phase angle of 53.1 degrees and a power factor of 0.6. That's a serious efficiency problem, and now you know it. Stop guessing. Use the free calculator linked below.